guys,
Hello guys,
how to get
just
MSM
to get
hacks.
hacks.
MSM hacks.
Let's go to here and check these hacks.
This one.
Hacks. Telegram. And
And
green dasta.
search this MSM hacks and
MS
go to
hacks.
files
And green Epic.
and download
and
this
Zone
one.
MS 461 Epic.
But you have downloaded it.
I know how. Yes, never.
This is my first
It's
time.
tagging up. There
But
is.
do you want to install that?
Yes, then I'll come back. And like and subscribe, click in my bio and like that.
Just like and subscribe, please.
Yes, so please subscribe.
But I'm gonna show you my singing monster that download that.
Yes, my thing monsters. And the YouTube is subscribers.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Yes, and comment and share. And you like my bio and subscribe. And
Okay, let's go.
Okay, bye.
And
I go to see
installing now. And click done. And click this.
Hi, I'm Is.
And go to this.
This is my brother.
I have
Is.
no more singing monster. But
Is.
that's guys. Bye bye.
Bye guys.